Hi there, I'm Louis. Welcome to Veena Pro ERP Solutions. First of all, I would like to request you please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are watching our video for the first time. Like all my videos. Press the bell icon to get instant updates from us. Veena Pro ERP software is the best-in-class software that has designed to meet the current requirements of the industrial sector. It is connected with different departments and the entrepreneur can easily get control over the operation process without much hassle. Let's understand how our ERP software will accelerate your production process. With the help of ERP software, it is easy to maintain great coordination among different departments. Manufacturers will get a quick calculation regarding the product cost, leading time, and track the sales process from the quotation with the help of invoicing and delivery. Production planning always insists on the managers to properly schedule the operations and materials with few clicks. Plus, they can easily view the visual production calendar, charts, and able to reschedule the production process if required. Stock functionality is always a great way forward for inventory control, stock displacement, and shipments. This software will assist the managers to track the stock, serial numbers. It maintains perfect visibility for the entire manufacturing process and it starts from shop floor to top management and from stock to production that is under process. The entire production chain will come under one software and it will assist the managers to control well, not spending much time. Essential information moves from one to another department automatically and within the given time. In this way, the decision makers get appropriate time for making decisions without losing any time. Manufacturing office bearers will get the option to monitor the entire process from one dashboard with the help of the at-a-glance method. It will let them review the entire operation. If there is any fault, they can act instantly. It will let you track batches, versions, product series, and the level of quality. Plus, this program will also let the managers know material expiry dates. There is no need to jump from one window to another to know these essential things. Easily measure the business-related data, analyze and constant search the methods to improve the production. Why should you choose Veena Pro ERP software? Veena Pro is standing tall for programming the best and easy ERP software for the manufacturing industry. We have decades of experience in this sector and can meet your needs to improve the manufacturing and processing to meet the current market requirement. We have a team of experts who will customize the software according to your manufacturing unit size. By which, the entire process will be under single synchronized manufacturing software. Veena Pro is the perfect ERP solution for small and mid-size enterprise. If you are looking for a best software, then try our ERP today. It is the easiest and highly secure ERP solution available at affordable price. For more information, please visit our website www.veenapro.com. Please subscribe us for more videos and updates. Don't forget to like and press the bell icon there for instant updates. Thank you for watching us.